2019 Yamaha Niken motorcycle. Specifications. MSRP *. Available second half of 2018, Granite Gray. Engine type 847cc liquid cooled, DOHC, inline 3-cylinder, 12 valves. 4x/78.0 mm x 59.1 mm. Compression ratio 11.5:1. Fuel delivery fuel injection with YCC-T. IgnitionTCI, transistor controlled ignition. Transmission 6-speed, multiplate assist and slipper clutch. Final drive chain. Chassis. Suspension/FrontTBD. Suspension/RearTBD. Brake/FrontTBD. Brake/rear 298 mm hydraulic disc, ABS. Tires/FrontDual 120/70 R15. Tires/rear 190/55 R17. Dimensions. LXWX HTBD. Fuel CapacityTBD. Seat HeightTBD. WheelbaseTBD. Track 16.1 in. Rake, caster, TBD. TrailTBD. Maximum ground clearance 5.9 in. Fuel EconomyTBD. WeightTBD. Other. WarrantyTBD. Features. Top features. Revolutionary leaning multi-wheel chassis. The Niken trademark LMW chassis is an exclusive motorcycle control system that provides unparalleled rider confidence across a wide range of road conditions. With two front tires leaning in unison, the Niken doubles the amount of available grip for exceptional stopping power, cornering confidence, rider comfort, and impeccable road manners, all while maintaining natural steering feel. Radical styling. Niken doesn't look like anything on the road because it isn't like anything else on the road. Graceful curves highlight the mass-forward design to show off the unique LMW system, combining futuristic technology with flowing, organic style. Powerful inline triple. Derived from the award-winning MT-09 trademark, the advanced CP3 registered trademark inline 3-cylinder motor uses Yamaha's full range of performance technology to produce exceptional torque with linear power delivery. This results in a flexible, responsive power plant that combines the best aspects of both 2- and 4-cylinder motors while remaining light, slim, and compact. Advanced rider aids. Niken features a complete range of technologies to boost rider confidence and performance, including Yamaha's ride-by-wire throttle system, adjustable throttle mapping, traction control and ABS. Riders also enjoy the convenience of a factory quick shifter and integrated cruise control.